Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm spending the day around London Bridge. Today video is about London Bridge, and it's one of those days that makes of important things and just enjoying being out in the sea. My morning started off at St. Thomas Hospital for a quick appointment. Like a routine annual checkup. It's been that I have this beautiful video clip in my phone for a while now, so I just decided to compile it and just put it out there. So my morning started off at St. Thomas Hospital for an appointment. It's such a busy place, but everything feels really organized. And being there always reminds me of how important it is to look after your health. Guys, I hope you're taking your health seriously this 2026. Even if you're not going to be taking anything seriously, but take your health really seriously, because without your health, all the money you're chasing, all the aspiration, everything, without your health, no matter the amount you've made, your health first. Okay, so take your health really really important. So the appointment went well, which I'm really grateful for, and once it was done, I felt such sense of relief. You know that feeling when something's been on your mind and suddenly you can just breathe again. That was me. After leaving the hospital, I decided to take a walk and enjoy the area a little bit. Being near the river always changes my mood straight away. London can be loud and fast, but when you're walking along the Thames, everything feels calmer. I just took my time, watched people, and enjoyed the view. Then I made my way to the market near London Bridge. And honestly, this place is a trap if you are even slightly hungry. There were food stalls everywhere, so many different smells, so many aromas from different foods. It was so interesting, so much energy. I told myself I was just going to walk around and look, but to be honest, that never really happens. The atmosphere here is one of my favorites in London. Everyone's laughing, eating, and just enjoying the moment, and it really lifts my mood. After the market, I walked over at London Bridge, as you can see, and no matter how many times I come here, it never gets old. Watching the river, the buses going past, people rushing in every direction, it really makes you think about how everyone has their own story and their own place to be. I stood there for a moment, just taking it all in, and it felt really grounding. Then I checked the time and I realized, time to go. So I needed to catch my train. The slow, peaceful walk suddenly turned into a slightly faster walk, still calm on the outside, but internally doing the math. How long does it take to get to the station, and do I actually have time? On my way to the station, it really hit me how nice the day had been. It was a good balance of taking care of responsibility and enjoying little things. This is very much the London experience. Great views, great food, great vibe, and then rushing to catch a train at the end. I made it to the train station, hopefully just in time, and that's pretty much wraps up my day around London Bridge. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.